Hi, today we're talking about client proposal and pitching costs. So, for any of the client proposals which you are sending and you want to keep track of all those things, this template will be handy and useful for use case. As you can see, we have got a database over here which lists the client name, the project type, the expense description, the amount associated, the outcome whether you have won the client or the status is still pending, the team member who is associated with that particular project. So this database can be customized and it can be made changes as per your use case. This is just a sample database for the demonstration. And if you scroll to the top, we can see that there are three visible summary sections. One is a pending outcome. So if any of the status, the outcome is pending, this will be visible over here. Okay. Then we have the team breakdown. So as per the different team members who are working on different clients, you can see the entire view over here. This has been grouped as per the associated team member. So if you see the team member over here, that is visible over here. Okay. Then we have client wise costs. So as per the different client, what are the costs that have been incurred are visible over here. So different clients and the corresponding breakdown, we can see the total cost associated with that. So these are the three possible summary view which you can see over here that can be useful to keep track of client proposal and pitching costs. Besides this, if you want to customize this template or make changes to this template as per your suitable and convenient use case, you can definitely do that. This will be helpful for you to keep track of all the expenses as per your requirement. If you want to reach out to me, contact me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you or assist you with any queries which you might be having. And you can definitely take help of this template to keep track of your client proposal costs. Okay. Meanwhile, I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Notion database for the same, and if you want to generate single document, you can even do that utilizing a Notion page. So click on Create PDF, and you have two options: single PDF and multiple PDF. Under single PDF, you can generate PDF documents one by one utilizing a Notion page. Under multiple PDFs, you can generate the same utilizing a Notion database. I've added videos for the demonstration for both the use case underneath each of the sections. You can definitely watch the video to understand more about the process. You can even read the instructions of how exactly this works and understand more about it. So let me know what you think of this. I'll be happy to help you with any of the queries or issues which you might be having. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. And yes, if you want to contact me, you can obviously go to PDF Output and use this contact section and send me a message. Or you can directly send me an email over here at notionformyuse@gmail.com. That will be more than helpful for me to reach out to you and help you with any issues. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.